Hey guys, welcome back to another quick forum video. In today's video, we're talking about Boost Mobile and their mobile hotspot, how affordable it is, and how some changes were made to this. So previously, I don't know if you guys know, but they only had the $50 monthly plan that gave you 35 gigs of data for $50. They've added 3 more tiers of data now. So, hotspot is important when you're traveling or just need your personal and private, Wi-Fi, I guess, network. That way you don't have to use a public network and, people get, prone to hacks and stuff like that. So this is mobile hotspot data plan. Stream shows, play games, and get work done whenever the day takes you, wherever the day takes you. So that's true. I mean, you could, watch your favorite shows if you have a laptop or a tablet that's not connected to the internet. You can play games, depending on the network connection, get work done, for work and travel and stuff. So, if you're camping or just traveling or anything like that, it's pretty good to have a hotspot. So mobile hotspot plans. So now, like I said, they added 3 tiers of data. So, oops, sorry about that. $15 a month now gives you 2 gigs, which, I mean, it should be plenty enough to just check emails and stuff. $20 a month gets you 5 gigs, which, gets a little better. 7 gigs, so for $5 more. Or for $50 a month gives you 35 gigs, which to me 35 gigs is still not that much. But remember, this is a hotspot. It's not going to replace your home internet. Actually, 35 gigs should be plenty for someone that has maybe Wi-Fi at home, but then they travel or they do stuff on the road, or just go to a place that doesn't have internet. This should be pretty good. 35 gigs, Available with Alcatel Link Zone 2. So this thing's only $10, guys. Stream fast and powerful. Connect up to 16 devices. That's probably the cheapest hotspot device I've seen at $10. User-friendly web experience, portable and lightweight. If you need more data, you could buy a data pack, which I believe is $5 for 1 gig or $10 for 2 gigs. But let's go ahead and see this. Alcatel Link Zone 2. Oh, so look at that. It did cost $50, but right now it's on sale for $40 off, which you get it for $10, which is a really good price. It says add to cart. So it says enjoy internet on the go with a new Alcatel Link Zone 2. Create a Wi-Fi zone for up to 16 devices, or use it as a power bank to charge your phone, tablet, or the other devices. Wow, that's pretty good. Stay connected up to 24 hours with a long-lasting 4,400 milliamp battery. Cool. So just looks, just plain, just tells you, Wi-Fi is working, signal strength, battery, and if I guess you have a message or something. High-speed internet on the go. It's pretty cool. Power to share, which is really nice. It's a nice feature to have where you can connect. Let's say your phone's dying and you're not using your hotspot, you can charge your phone that way. All-day connectivity at 2.4 times more battery capacity, which is great. So, like I said, 4,400 milliamp battery, up to 24 hours of usage time. Battery is removable, which is nice. So if you buy another battery, you can just swap it out. This thing does have 2 gigs of ROM with 1 gig of RAM. Qualcomm MDM9207, not bad. So pretty cool, guys. It does other features of power bank. It is a USB Type-C port charging, USB Type-A port for charging out. Network 3, it's 3G, 4G, and LTE, and it's Wi-Fi, of course. So pretty cool, guys. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Like I said, they added 3 more tiers of data. Just short video, just to let you know what they got out there. So thanks for watching.